5 financial habits that will make you rich slowly. Becoming rich slowly might not sound exciting, but it's how real, lasting wealth is built. Here are 5 financial habits that can change your life over time. Habit number 1. Live below your means. It sounds simple, but it's powerful. Wealthy people don't upgrade their lifestyle every time their income increases. They grow the gap between what they earn and what they spend, and they invest that gap. Habit number 2. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts right after payday. This way, saving and investing becomes effortless and consistent. That's how compound interest works its magic.
Habit number 3. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is evil, but high-interest debt, like credit cards or payday loans, drains your future wealth. Pay off bad debt aggressively and avoid it when you can. Habit number 4. Track your money. You can't grow what you don't measure. Track your income, expenses, debts, and investments monthly. You'll spot leaks, build awareness, and make better financial decisions. And habit number 5, keep learning. The most valuable asset is your mind. Read books, listen to finance podcasts, follow trustworthy content like this one. As your knowledge grows, so does your confidence and your bank account. Success doesn't come overnight, but it does come to those who stay consistent. This is Smart Money Guide. Follow for more simple strategies to grow your money smarter, not harder.